Who wouldn't be thrilled to uncover some super easy, yet brilliantly effective strategies for pocketing some extra cash without breaking a sweat in our lightning-fast world today? Whether you're aiming to boost your income or stash away some funds for that dream vacation, we've got your back with these fantastic, low-effort money-making methods. Get ready as we spill the beans on the top 5 laziest ways to rake in the dough online in 2023. Number 1. Renting your stuff. Making money from your possessions. Do you have a collection of camera gear, sports equipment, or tools just sitting around, feeling neglected? Well, guess what? They can be your ticket to easy money. Imagine this. You can put those underused treasures to work by renting them out to folks who need them for a short stint. And guess what? There are fantastic websites and user-friendly apps that make listing your stuff a breeze, connecting you with eager renters. But it gets better. Not only will you be boosting your bank account effortlessly, but you'll also be doing the good deed by helping someone dodge the hassle of buying something they'll only use once. Win-win, right? What's even more exciting is the ease of it all. Thanks to user-friendly apps and websites, you'll be connecting with eager borrowers faster than you can say "cash in my pocket." Plus, the icing on the cake? You'll be a hero in someone else's story, sparing them the trouble of buying something they'll only use once. It's a double win where your laziness meets financial success. Number 2. Earn cash by sharing your thoughts. Join surveys and dive into focus groups. Your unique perspective is a goldmine, and businesses are eager to reward you for it. Start by enrolling in well-respected survey platforms that offer real money or exciting gift cards in return for your opinions. But here's the kicker. If you want to level up your earnings, consider joining vibrant market research focus groups. Imagine getting paid generously for simply sharing your valuable insights on various products and services, all from the comfort of your favorite chill spot. Your opinions, shared casually from the comfort of your own home, can influence the development of new products, advertising campaigns, and even shape the future of industries. It's like having a direct impact on the business world, all while earning money effortlessly. Plus, it's a fantastic way to discover upcoming trends before they hit the market, making you a trendsetter in your own right. Number 3. Unlock your inner shopaholic. Dive into the world of mystery shopping. Are you a shopaholic at heart? Imagine getting paid to do what you love. Mystery shopping is all about assessing service and products at different places, and the perks are incredible. Indulge in free meals, grab exclusive discounts, and even earn money while you shop. It's the ultimate retail adventure. It allows you to step into different roles and experiences. Imagine going undercover as a shopper, restaurant critic, or even a luxury traveler, all while earning rewards for your valuable feedback. It's like being a secret agent of consumer satisfaction, making money while enjoying different aspects of life. Number 4. Snap and profit. Turning smartphone snaps into cash in our digital age, where social media and online content rule the roost. There's an ever-increasing hunger for top-notch photos. If you possess a knack for photography, it's time to whip out your smartphone and start capturing some stunning shots. What's more, you can easily cash in on your talent by selling these gems on popular platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Whether it's everyday scenes, the beauty of nature, or mouth-watering culinary creations, your photographic prowess can effortlessly transform into a steady stream of passive income. So let's get those cameras rolling and those dollars flowing. Smartphones, the same ones we use to send messages and check social media, can be transformed into a tool for making easy money. Just imagine, by simply snapping pictures of the world around you, whether it's a breathtaking sunset, a delicious homemade meal, or the beauty of nature, you can turn your photography skills into a source of passive income. It's like turning a hobby into a cash machine. And in the world of 2023, that's not only possible, but also incredibly exciting. Number 5. Pet sitting and house sitting. Earning while you chill. If you've got a soft spot for furry friends, why not dive into the world of pet sitting? It's not just about helping out your pals, family, or neighbors. It's about making easy money while giving love and care to adorable pets. And here's the secret sauce. Pet owners are more than willing to pay for trustworthy and compassionate pet sitters. But wait, there's more. House sitting for travelers is another laid-back way to boost your income. Picture this. You get to change up your surroundings while making some sweet cash. And here's the kicker. As you build a reputation for being the go-to pet and house sitter, you'll start seeing those clients come back for more, no sweat. It's like turning your relaxation time into a cash-generating adventure. Plus, as you build trust and a reputation for your excellent service, you're not just making money. You're building a community of happy, repeat clients who appreciate your unique and laid-back approach to earning a living. Now, who wouldn't want to dive into that world of easy-breezy income? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on our latest money-making insights. And if you've got your own clever tricks or questions, please share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community of viewers.